Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jira Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type in the URL for Jira Cloud. Press the enter key. You should now see the Jira welcome page. Look for the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Jira account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Once your password is entered, click on the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your authentication device. Enter the verification code sent to your device. Click Verify to continue. You should now be logged into your Jira Cloud account. From here, you can start managing your projects and tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.